In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to cook small tapioca pearls to use in desserts like mung bean sweet soup or banana tapioca pudding. Here I have some small tapioca pearls. These are small, white, opaque starch balls made from cassava root. They are round and about the size of rice grains. When cooked, tapioca pearls turn translucent and chewy, adding an appealing texture to sweet soups similar to boba pearls. You can find them at Asian grocery stores. I'm going to put 150 grams of tapioca pearls into a bowl and soak them in water for about 30 minutes or even up to an hour if you have more time. Soaking will help the pearls soften and cook faster. While waiting for the pearls to soak, let's prepare the sugar syrup. For 150 grams of tapioca pearls, I'll use around 350 milliliters of water and 60 to 70 grams of sugar depending on your preferred sweetness. Stir well to dissolve the sugar and cook over medium heat until it comes to a boil. Soaking the cooked tapioca pearls in sugar syrup helps to prevent them from sticking together. It also gives them a glossy look and a light sweetness, making them much more enjoyable to eat. The tapioca pearls have been soaking for almost an hour now. I'll rinse them with clean water, drain them, and get ready to cook. When boiling tapioca pearls, make sure to use plenty of water since they absorb a lot of it. For 150 grams of pearls, I'm using about 1.2 to 1.5 liters of water. Once the water is boiling, add the soaked pearls and cook over medium-high heat. Stir constantly to prevent them from sticking to the bottom of the pot as they tend to be quite sticky. Cook for about 15 minutes until the pearls turn completely translucent. Turn off the heat, scoop them out, and immediately transfer them to a bowl of water. This step helps the pearls become clear, chewy, and prevents them from getting mushy. After that, drain and let them cool. Once the tapioca pearls have cooled down, transfer them to the sugar syrup we prepared earlier. Stir well so the pearls can fully absorb the sweetness. And that's it. Cover the bowl and store it in the refrigerator for 2-3 days. And there you have it. No warake. Perfectly cooked small tapioca pearls. In the next videos, I'll share some dessert recipes that use these pearls like mung bean sweet soup, banana tapioca pudding, and chewy taro dessert. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.